Yeah, it's snowing. Well, not quite 5 o'clock. Almost see what's going on around here. Glad I had my plastic snow shovel. Oh, I don't know how it ever got in. There's about a foot-high drift here I had to shovel. I didn't have to shovel very much, but enough. Yeah, I'm headed home. That's 4-wheel drive, too.